Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download code from Emergent AI in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, you want to make sure you've already built an app inside Emergent. Then scroll down to your recent tasks or deployed apps, and you want to open the app you want to download the code from. For today, I'll use the Quick Math calculator app as an example. This one. So click that, and once the app is open, you want to look at the top right corner of the screen for the code button. So it should be right over here. As you can see, I only have share button available, but if I click share, the code icon will appear. But still, it's grayed out. And the reason for that, it's because it means you don't have enough credits. I don't have enough credits on this account, but if I click buy credits, as you can see, the cheapest one is $20 for 100 credits. All right, but let's say that's available. Just go ahead and click that and you'll see a password section. Just hit copy on that password, then click open in browser. As I mentioned, I don't have enough credits at the moment on my account, but it looks like this. Now, the first time you do this, Emergent will ask you to paste that password. Just drop it in and you'll instantly get access to all your app files. Now, to download everything, just press Ctrl plus A to select all files. Right click and you want to choose download. Then pick the folder on your computer where you want everything saved. And you might have to confirm the folder a few times as it downloads each directory, but don't worry, that's totally normal. Once it's done, you'll have a complete folder with all your code ready to use. And if you only want a single file or full folder, just right click that one item and download it individually. That's it. Super quick and super helpful if you want to customize or back up your Emergent projects. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.